Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll show you how to download protected videos from any website. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Video Download Helper. Click on the first link. Then select Install for Chrome. Then it will open Chrome Web Store. Then click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. Once the extension is added, click on the extension icon in your browser and open Video Download Helper. You can pin it for easy access. Now open the video you want to download. Once you find the video, start playing it and let it run for at least 5 seconds. Then, click on the Video Download Helper icon in your browser. You will see the video listed, along with a download button next to it. Click on the button, and your file will start downloading. And that's how you download protected videos from any website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.